Hello friends, we are discussing about the famous autobiographies. Wings of Fire, APJ Abdul Kalam. An autobiography is the autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru. The Test of My Life, Yuvraj Singh. Unfinished, a memoir, Priyanka Chopra. A Shorted History, Abhinav Bindra. Six Mission, Chris Gale. 281 and Beyond, VVS Laxman. Long Walk to Freedom, Nelson Mandela. Dreams from My Father, Barack Obama. As Against Odds, Sonia Mirza. Freedom in Exile, Dalai Lama. Truth, Love and a Little Malice, Sushant Singh. Playing It My Way, Sachin Tendulkar. The Race of My Life, Milka Singh. Controversially Yours, Shoaib Akhtar.